Welcome back to the Urban Ranch, episode 25. With every last inch of the Urban Ranch now insulated, we're now able to get some drywall hung. As usual, the B7 crew moves at lightning speed, hanging the drywall throughout. You'll see here in the basement we use a moisture retardant drywall, whereas we don't need that on the first, second, or third floors. You can also see in this view that the large steel beam running across there has been furred out, so that's all in preparation for that beam to be wrapped in black walnut. The drywall finishing crew is led by Pollo, who is a master drywall finisher for sure. We've specified the level of drywall throughout the project. Here are some quick references to brush everyone up on their recollection of drywall finishing. In the basement, second and third floors, we've chosen to go with the more typical level 4 finish. However, as you might imagine, the first floor will be getting a better, higher level, level 5 finish. Basically, this means that Pollo and his crew will skim coat all of the walls and ceiling prior to any paint or primer going on. The aesthetic this achieves is essentially that of a plaster finish, smooth as a baby's bottom, if you will. So away the guys work, of course all under the direction of Chuck, sitting as command center. Oh wait, that isn't Chuck. Is that Rubilio? He's such a hard-working... Is he sleeping? Huh. Well, maybe Rubilio needed a little siesta, right? Well, never mind. Chuck is back, right at the helm of the ship. Must have been a glitch in the time-lapse cameras for sure. We'll have to make sure we edit that out in the final production run so Benson, the owner of B7, doesn't catch a glimpse of that. You know, Crystal and I really love these guys and the work that they do for us. We really couldn't be any happier, and hence why it's not uncommon for us to pick up lunch for the crew often. And here's just another day when Crystal and I had the opportunity to join them for lunch, which I picked up from the most fantastic, authentic Guatemalan restaurant, Martha's Kitchen. Highly recommend it. Following lunch, we actually took the opportunity to bring one of the original fireplace mantles over to the house to give it a test fit with the new furred out walls on either side of it. And again, Pollo and his crew putting on that level 5 drywall finish, just absolutely been fantastic. Well, we hope you enjoyed this episode from the Urban Ranch Living, and as we like to say, more to come.